Hey guys, so I came here for lunch, but my lunch I want to go to taste this Mediterranean restaurant here. Yeah, they call Charles Kebab Grill. Yeah, so I'm going to taste the food today. Yeah, I'm tired a lot. So, but today at least temperature in our place is 38. Yeah, so there is sun and warm little bit, not too cold, and the snow is melted. I can show you outside. You see the outside how it look. Here I'm in this parking place here. Yeah, see the ice is melted. Yeah, the road is clean, so we are lucky. Our place, but there is a little wind here. It's still breezing. I'm telling you. It's 38, but it's kind of like 30. It's kind of like 30. I'm telling you. It's cold. If you don't have gloves, it's just frozen. Okay, so I'm going to eat here. Yeah, my lunch today. Let's go. Let's see. Yeah. Yeah.
Seen a lot of change, been through a lot of